Hey guys, we're out walking the dog, but we're going to head up to Lowe's, maybe Home Depot, and Tractor Supply. This is the time of year when plants go on clearance. I have supplied a lot of my landscaping needs this time of year when things are marked down half price, 75% off. I mean, those are just like bargains you cannot pass up. I can't wait to see what's out there. I will say it's been slim pickings lately, so I don't have my hopes up too high, but I'm taking you with me, and I have to keep looking down. There are snakes this time of year. Well, most of the year, but right now they're like, whew, everywhere. After walking, we went straight up to Lowe's and I started looking around. I was a few days late. Normally, I like to be up at Lowe's right before Halloween. That is when my area starts to put all their things on clearance. And I did not take video, but I took lots of pictures. I had both my daughters with me. They did not want to shop. So I convinced them, let me take all the pictures. I will not buy anything. Then I'll go home and I'll do research because, I have been doing this for many years now, and I have pretty much stuffed my landscape as full as I can get it at this point, especially with these types of plants that are marked down right now. But there were some that really, like this, no, not that. The one before that, the variegated leaves, really kind of wanted it. So I came home, I looked at all the pictures, I made notes, I looked things up, and I came up with a plan so that I could come back, and I'm going to take you guys with me and let you see what I ended up buying at Lowe's. I think it was like a day and a half, 2 days later. I was kind of worried that the inventory would really drop dramatically. There is a fine line of buying what you want now at half price versus taking a chance on it being gone if I wait for the 75% clearance, which will probably happen really soon, maybe by the end of this week. So I had to keep that in mind as I'm kind of going through researching. I did really well until I saw the black pearl heuchera, which are coming up here in just a few seconds in the pictures. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I love them. I have a thing for coral bells or heuchera to begin with, but look at it. It is stunning. So I didn't buy any. I just took the pictures, went home, made my list, and let's see what is left when we go back. So we went back 2 days later, and yes, I wanted to get a coneflower so badly, put it in my cart, and you'll see at the end of the trip. Look at this hoverfly here on this agastache or hummingbird mint. I did get just one of that plant because I have so many seeds and it's so easy to grow. I did get some Gara as I had planned, but some of them look like they had the aster yellows disease, which I've had that before in coneflowers. I didn't want to bring home any Gara with it, so there were several there that looked odd. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it didn't have it, but I don't know. Wasn't worth taking a chance. I did get some of the heuchera. I got 3 of the black pearl. I grabbed some clearance soil. Now, when you're there, always look for bags of marked down soil. Sometimes it's half price. I wanted to get ferns, but they looked rough. I'm going to wait for 75% off. If not, that's fine. I don't really need them. And so I went back. This was something I really thought I wanted. It was this variegated weigela, and I really thought I wanted it, but I talked myself out of it. I don't love it. There's other varieties that I would love to have more, so I passed. I passed on the viburnum. I really wanted that too. That is a native. I already have a mock orange, so I didn't need that, and I put back that coneflower. I did. So this is all I got at Lowe's. Very conservative amount of plants. They're all perennials. They'll all fit into the landscape fine. So then we headed down the road. We went to the Tractor Supply. Didn't look promising from outside, but when we get inside, you'll see the story is a little different. Everything is 75% off. So that sounded awesome to me. First stop is to look at dog toys and dog treats because Tonto is with us. This is one of his favorite treats right there, and they were on sale. I did not get all of this. I put the toys back. We only got the treats. I picked up some alfalfa pellets for my garden for fertilization for this fall. And then we headed out into the greenhouse, and the plants looked really well on the inside. I was really pleasantly surprised, but like this whole wall, this is just annuals. And unless you have a greenhouse or the space in your home to grow these, and you're not worried about your pets, because a lot of these are toxic to pets, some also to children. Look at the outdoor plants. They were looking rough. But there was lots to look at. This would be a good time if you are new to a piece of property to really fill in your landscape. Somewhere like Tractor Supply. I have gotten things for, $2.50 before, $5. One of my favorite roses I got there for $5. And I was tempted for a rose again today, but I talked myself out of it. I have no more space for any roses. Well, maybe later, maybe something special. But look at that coleus. It was just beautiful. Very happy in here in this greenhouse. I did get some more of the corabels. These were $2 each, which is a great price. Look at, there's that giant chicken. Lots of Christmas decorations out. It's like November 4th now. And the bulbs weren't really marked down that cheap, but the other plants were. I really like this little wooden cutout. It looks like Tonto. I'm not going to pay that price. They want $40 for it. I'll make it myself if I have to. So this is all we got. I've got the alfalfa pellets on this trip today. We got 5 of the red heuchera, 3 of the black pearl, 3 gaura. I got a container of pansies to put somewhere, a container of violas that I'll divide, and there is the hummingbird mint, and there is the gaura, and then 2 bags of soil back there in the background. I'm going to take everything out of the van here and give you a closer look. Now you'll have to come back for a video coming up soon. Few days, I haven't made it yet, where we decide where the heck am I going to put all of these plants. And here you go. This is everything we got today. I felt like I got some great prices, especially for this heuchera. I love that heuchera. It's beautiful. The red, it's okay. It's a filler, but the black pearl is just gorgeous and stunning. Yeah, and this hummingbird mint will grow on me as well. And I do love gaura. It's so pretty. Okay, hope you're having a great gardening week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.